Hi, I'm Catherine Greenberg. I lead the VMware on VMware program. Today I'm here with Eivon Puri, Vice President Business IT. Eivon, tell me, what were the business drivers behind needing to transform?
So VMware as a business has been growing pretty rapidly over the last few years. So not only we have introduced new product lines, but we've also introduced new go-to-market models. We've also done a few acquisitions which we have absorbed within the organization. So the need for IT to respond to business needs was pretty significant. As we had so many projects running in parallel, we realized that our projects were becoming more expensive and time consuming. So we needed to do something to make sure that we have more nimble and agile model of delivery and we are able to respond to business needs quickly.
Great. So how did we transform?
Our approach was based on 3 pillars. So we started off with consolidating all our environments into our private cloud. Prior to that, we were dispersed across multiple data centers. So the whole process of managing those environments was very time consuming, and it was those environments were not properly managed. So we were able to consolidate into a very automated private cloud, which is managed within the organization and provide support to any of our needs. Second step, we focused on, once we had the private cloud and all our infrastructure was automated, we enabled our DevOps model on top of it by making sure that developers have what they need to start developing, which included all the application infrastructure, which is automated, making sure that we have pipeline capabilities, ability to move code in chunks from dev environment to all environments in automated fashion with checks and balances. And then step number 3, once we expedited the delivery, we used mobile as a mechanism to deliver our business transformation, the use cases which IT brought to the businesses, where we were able to drive some transformation ideas.
Eivon, what were some of the challenges and how are you solving them?
From challenges perspective, I would bucket them in 2 big areas. On the DevOps side, enabling technology using our own VMware products was actually pretty straightforward. That was easy part of the equation. I think the bigger challenges for us was in people and process side of things. The whole process of moving from doing monthly releases to doing release when ready, and then making sure that we really break the silos in the organization and start to operate as a DevOps unit. On the mobile side, the big challenge for us was around how do you take an application and make it consumer simple, but still provide all the enterprise controls on it. When we started the journey, we went down the path of creating applications more on responsive web design. But what we realized was that if we couldn't leverage the platforms like iOS and Android and create excellent user experience, which are consumer simple applications, there was very limited usage for them.
And what are the main takeaways of the transformation journey?
So the main takeaway from my perspective is, leveraging private cloud really helps. Having the whole automation and automated provisioning and getting infrastructure ready is super critical for development to move forward with agile processes. Number 2, technology is a big part of your DevOps transformation, but people and process are equally important. And third, unless we build applications which are consumer simple and have consumer-based UI, they will have very limited usage in the enterprise setting. So making sure that we have ability to do that and still maintain all the enterprise controls is super critical to think up front when you get into this journey.
Thank you, Eivon, for sharing your transformation journey with us today.